Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Interlaken, Switzerland and my time here, so follow along with me as I take you on this little adventure that I had. Interlaken is located not too far from Bern, Switzerland, and it's the perfect little tourist town. It has all types of outdoorsy and adventurous activities that you can do, paragliding being one of the most popular. And while I guess it is a tourist town, I didn't find it cheesy or too overwhelming. It was still really cute and had a lot of that Swiss charm. Another thing that I really love about this town is the size of it. It's small enough to where you can walk just about everywhere, which made it super easy to get around. There are trains if you want to go from one side to the other, but if you can walk, I highly recommend it because there's just so much sightseeing to do in between. And speaking of paragliding, it was crazy how you would just see these paragliders everywhere. They were like birds in the sky, just all over the place. It was so cool to see. If there's anything that you must do while you're here, it's go up to the Harder Kulm. It's at the very top of one of the mountains. You can overview the entire city, and overall, it's just really gorgeous. And as you can see here, you take a mountain tram up, which offers some amazing views of the Alps and just everything. So enjoy this little ride as we go up to the Harder Kulm. We ended our day up here with a beautiful hike. Yes, it was a lot harder than it looked, but still very lovely. Thanks for watching this short little video of mine on Interlaken. If you liked it, please feel free to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I will see you on the next adventure. Bye!